What did you say?
Pull me out.
And pull me out, please.
Pull me out.
Well done. Okay, come on. Oops, accelerate a little bit. Come on. Run. Oh, well done. Come on. Come on. Come on. More. Okay, wait. Turn the steering this way. No, the other way. Okay. Come on. Come. Well done, Maxie. Come on. Slowly. Don't then run daddy over. Come on, Maxwell. Come on. Go. Come on, Max. Come on, go. Yeah, lots of that. We're gonna wash it tomorrow anyway. Your uncle's got a car wash right there. Okay? Go on. Go. Go on, Maxie. Accelerate. Go. You want daddy to do it? You're gonna learn driving by yourself. No, you don't know how to ride it. Come on. You need to learn. You done it already? But, you know, when I was your age, if my daddy got me one of them and let me drive it by myself, I would drive it all the time, all day long, you know? You need to man up a bit and drive it by yourself. Did mommy said only daddy drive it, otherwise you fall down? Ah, tell mommy to zip the F up. Okay? Oh yeah, it's a big boat there. Okay, come on, Maxie. Go. Oh, you stuck. You stuck, Maxie. Dad needs to pull you out. Okay, stop accelerating. Daddy's gonna pull you out. Okay? You wanna go there? Where? There. Come on, slow. Okay, accelerate a little bit. Come on. Just do it slowly. Okay, come on. No, don't go very fast. Don't go very fast. Just do it. Come on, otherwise you would never learn. Come on, Maxwell. Go. Accelerate. Go. Go. Oh, you shouldn't stop, Baba. Go. Come on. Go. Oops, you stuck again. Okay, stop. Do you need help to get out? Come on, Maxwell. Come on, go forward. Go. Slowly. Go. Come on, Baba. Okay, we're gonna go there, but you're gonna drive. You're gonna drive it there. Come on, Baba. No, Daddy's not gonna be with you all the time, so you're gonna learn driving by yourself. Come on. Go. Slow. Go. Come on, go. Don't worry, don't be scared, Baba. Okay? We're gonna go up there in a minute. Come on, just drive a little bit. Come on. Drive. I know it's not a big stone. You gotta accelerate it a little bit, and then the cars go. You are a big boy. Okay, come on. Do it like a big boy. Come on, accelerate. Come on. Hey? You can't go very fast. You gotta go slowly. Come on. Yeah, because Daddy's a good boy. That's why Daddy can't go very fast. Oh, we find something very nice. Where's this? Oh, we gotta collect that as well. You got room for it? Come on, let's put it here. Okay. Come on, go. Come on. Daddy's here with you. Daddy's right here. Slowly. Slowly. Come on. Go, Maxie. Go. Okay. Oops. Come toward Daddy. There's a big stone here. Be careful. Turn the steering this way. Yeah, like that. Okay, come straight. Come on. Come. And then this way. Come. Oops, big stones there. Accelerate. Well done, Maxie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oops. Well done. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oops. More. Oops. No, you got to go back a little bit. You got to go back a little bit. Now he's going to push you. Oops. Oops. Help me. Okay, come on. Go. Okay. Keep the steering straight. Okay, come on. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oops. Oops. You stuck now. Jesus. Jesus, Maxie. This. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go. Oops. No, leave it there. Leave it there. That is going to pull you out. Wait. 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 Okay, stop, Max. Stop. 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 Oops. Well done, Maxie. Good fun, huh?